Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Kamlim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. ALHEC released PM Narendra Modi's biography. Wildlife Miki Shillong contributes Rs 50,000 to under 14 football team representing the state. And national agitations by engineers and employees of power sector against Electricity Amendment Bill 2022. And now the news in detail. BJP leader and MLA from Pinthor Umkra, Shri ALHEC, released PM Narendra Modi's biography, Modi at 20. The book depicts his political journey that starts from the Chief Minister of Gujarat in 2001 to becoming the Prime Minister in 2014 and continues till date. Sunil Arora, CEO Health Sevak, spoke at length on the book, which contained chapters contributed by different scholars. The book described the tenure of PM Modi as Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 till he became the Prime Minister in 2014, and his journey continues till date. It may be recalled that it was during his tenure as Chief Minister of Gujarat that the state witnessed social upheaval where many precious lives were lost. Families who lost their loved ones during the troubled days still find it difficult to reconcile.
When we are dreaming, then we are planning out what we are going to take it, what we are going to do, what is our future, what is our plan. When we meet, what is our meeting? It's a meeting. When we are meeting. When we are meeting, we have our brainstorming. We put all our brains together by meeting everybody. Then only we deliver. When we deliver as said rightly by the speaker, when speaker has spoken today, we reach to the last person, the last mile of a person, wherever they are in our country today, to deliver the good which is implementing by our beloved Prime Minister.
Mr. Wildlife Miki Shillong, MLA 2nd July constituency, made a contribution of Rs 50,000 to the Meet Mintudu RC Eve Secondary School, whose football team will be participating in the Under-14 Subroto Mukherjee Cup 2022. Mr. Shillong was attending a special event where the football plays of the school were being facilitated by the Meet Mintudu RC Eve Secondary School. He exhorted the team to take the opportunity to further enhance their skills as footballers, adding that they should continue their best always. He stated that he will be rooting for the team and hope that they bring home the trophy. Those who attended the event were Mr. Bright Star Chairman, MDC Joy Not, Mr. Otto Mewat Lamin, MDC JHADC, Reverend Father H. Lamare, Parish Priest Joy, Reverend Father L. Paswet, Assistant Parish Priest Joy, Reverend Father F. Dakhar, Administrator Joy Diocese, Mr. A. Pawa, Village Elder, Meet Mintudu and other invitees.
The boat to the Guzadi for the lead. Tang Rapnya to a job. Rapnya to one day job. Thought born you one day rep. That the MP opportunity create history. Create history. Come down with MP go and come go pen mo pi thought the rat pi some pie on pi. Ya ka take example genusa. Go must step and we man the job pi ini kena do about me to come down. Let me get yung jan sem bi pi. Kira yo man sen di yo kene courage ade utai le yihu han bianga le yo.
Engineers and employees of power sector in the entire country organized national agitation programs on August 8 against the decision of the Government of India to amend the Electricity Act 2003 in the Lok Sabha through the Electricity Amendment 2022. Engineers and employees of MEECL joined hand in the agitation in all districts as well as in Shillong headquarters by stopping from work for 2 hours and hold demonstrations against the bill. The Electricity Amendment Bill 2022 is being brought to amend the Electricity Act 2003, which is going to have far-reaching adverse effects on the power sector as well as the electricity consumers and electricity employees and engineers. Last year, the central government had promised through a written letter to the United Kisan Morcha on December 9, 2021, that the Electricity Amendment Bill would not be introduced in the Parliament without consultation with all the stakeholders, including farmers. There have not been such discussions till date. Now, if the central government has taken a unilateral decision to present and pass the Electricity Amendment Bill 2022 in the Parliament on August 8, 2022, then it is a clear violation of the written promise given to the United Kisan Morcha. Further, despite repeated requests from the National Coordination Committee of Electricity Employees and Engineers NCCOEEE and All India Power Engineers Federation TIPEF, the central government has not held any talks with the electricity engineers or the employees, not even once, regarding the Electricity Amendment Bill 2022.
The power of the state. And most importantly, my brother and sister, we don't know. There is no mention whatsoever what will happen to the electricity employees of the nation. There's about 27 lakhs and their families. Therefore, to my view, the government did not bother to explain all these facts. And that's why it is a detrimental bill which we must oppose tooth and nail.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.